my beauties, thanks for clicking on my video. My name is KT if you're new here. If not, welcome back. On this video I do a different face routine, so it's great for a photo shoot. If you have to be on camera for anything, I think this is a great method. I just have to find like a good color for my contour. I'm gonna say that. So if you have a good cream contour color, you might like this method. You might love this method, I'm not gonna lie, because looking at it, like, my face looks good. Like, I think this is a method I could get used to. Like, it's doing something for me. Yeah, y'all see the difference, because it's a difference. But okay, so go ahead and watch it. Try this routine, this foundation routine out, and let me know how y'all like it, because I think it's bomb. Okay, so here you go, let me know. Okay, so I want to start off with, oh, let me take this off. I want to start with a new face routine. It does involve cream contouring, so I just been in love with the big baby hairs lately. Like, I used to be like, that's just too much. Now I'm like, oh my god, I want the big baby hairs. I'm gonna start by priming my skin with my hydration primer. I already did my eyebrows just because, like, I just want to get it over with. The eyebrows be stressing me out sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate. Just rub this into my skin. Then I'm going to use my one side Secure the Blur. Okay, so now that the face is all primed up, so now I'm going to put setting powder all over my face. Well, mainly in my T-zone. And then I'm going to work it around, because I like me a matte face. My face will sweat so fast, so easy. So your girl just gotta take extra precautions sometimes. Now we're gonna do our foundation. Foundation is still first. So this is the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. It'll be a separate video, so if you want to see the eyes that I'm about to do, go ahead and stop this video and then go click on my other video. I'll try to tag it, the link below. But yeah, I'm gonna start with contour. I'm gonna cream contour, so I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty foundation in the color Ganache. In this color, I'm gonna be using this to contour with. Get me a little brush like this, something I can just kind of, you know, throw in place. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go everywhere we contour with, which is like the perimeter of our face. Y'all know the cheekbones. We're gonna go over here, snatch that jawline. I was gonna say snatch that chin. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a dense brush, like something like a foundation brush, and then I'm just gonna blend it in just a little bit better. Just to, this is kind of helping it like buff into the skin, you know, like we look very, very tan. The fun part, now it's time to apply the concealer. So we want it here. So boom, now we're gonna blend it in. So when you're blending out this chin area, you want to bring it up here and here in two places. I kind of messed up there. So you want to bring it up here and you want to bring it up here. Y'all know I like to keep my highlights forward. I'm going to take the back of my sponge and I'm just going to blend around those areas that need to blend. Okay. And then I'm going to go back with the first brush that I contoured with. And I'm just going to lightly contour on the sides of my nose. Using whatever is left because I didn't do this part and I should have. But it's okay. We just go with the flow. And then I'm going to go back with my sponge and bring that contour in. How y'all liking it so far? Is it too much? Like the contour, I think I went a little dark on the contour. I'm gonna just go over it with my foundation brush. But I know some girls love the intense contour, so this will probably be a method for you. This looks like it gives you intense highlight and contour. Once the TikTok say, honey, if you're gonna be here, do too much. I know that's right. You want to set your face in all those great areas. We're not gonna bring it down. We're gonna keep it back. Because it is so intense, I'm gonna go straight with my blush. So I'm going to go in with my NARS blush in the color Exhibit A. And I'm just going to apply this right on top of my contour. Mine is up right above it. Get a little color on my nose and my chin. Okay, I think that was a good little mixture blend. So now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier blush in the color Strawberry. And I'm gonna use this on above the last blush. And kinda under the eyes. So let me dust up all of this powder. Like, whoa there, buddy, slow down. I'm gonna take my face powder, my Fenty powder in the color 440, and I'm just gonna go over it with this. I feel like wow, it's very intense. Now I'm gonna set my face. Where's my spray? It's pretty though, like it blends well and it's giving like, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with MAC Chestnut color. Then I'm going to go into True Story from Morphe. Add Loyalist from Maybelline right in the middle. how it came out all in the end. I think I did go over my blush one more time just because y'all know I be addicted to blush. But I think it's really like giving. Like, it's no way this isn't serving. You know, like I feel like if you want to for sure go for like a beat face, this is the method to go. You know. So yeah, I hope y'all like my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and put a thumbs up because this method, yeah, this one of them. If you want to know how I did my eyes, it's on a separate video, so go ahead and watch that video too as well, because it was a quick little cute little liner eyeshadow kind of going on. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. See you on the next one.